Hi everyone! Want to turn a simple image into stunning cinematic videos using AI? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Wan 2.1 to transform any photo into a dynamic movie-like animation, all for free. Let's get started. First, visit the Wan video to try it on the sites like File AI or Monica IM. Then, no download or account required in most cases. Then here in the dashboard, you can click image to video mode. Then after that, upload your photo or in a landscape, portraits, fantasy art, and etc. Then after that, customize your video settings. You can choose your aspect ratio, you can set your duration, adjust the motion style for cinematic effects, and also you can choose your resolution. Then generate the video. Hit the generate button and then wait for the process to complete. Usually it takes time to 1 to 2 minutes. Then preview your animation and download it. Once you're satisfied with the result, use a high resolution and well images for better result and can download it or export and share it to your social media accounts. And that's how easy it is to turn the still images into cinematic videos using Wan 2.1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.